Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with Gumroad for selling products and enabling affiliates step by step clearly. To get started with Gumroad for selling products and enabling affiliates, first, create an account on the Gumroad website. Visit gumroad.com and click on Start Selling. Fill in your email address and choose a secure password for your account. Confirm your email by checking your inbox for a verification message from Gumroad. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Click on Add a Product to start listing your item. Choose the type of product you want to sell, such as digital or physical. Upload your product file or provide details for a physical item, including shipping information. Set your product price by entering the amount you wish to charge. Complete the product description with key details that will entice buyers. Once you've added all necessary information, click Publish to make your product live. To set up the affiliate system, head over to the Settings section in your dashboard. Look for the Affiliates tab and enable the affiliate program for your products. Decide on a commission rate that you will offer to your affiliates. Share your unique affiliate link with potential partners to encourage them to promote your product. Inform your affiliates on how to sign up and access their own affiliate links through your Gumroad account. Monitor your sales and affiliate performance from the Analytics section in your dashboard. Make adjustments to your affiliate program as needed to optimize sales and partnerships. With everything set up, promote your Gumroad products through social media, email, or your website. Engage your affiliates by providing promotional materials and updates to enhance their marketing efforts. Stay active in managing your Gumroad account to ensure a smooth selling experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.